Hi, welcome to Willswheels 10 Minute Teabreak. This is the 10 minutes that we take every week to go around and show you what's in the workshop and what we're working on and what projects are coming up. So, grab a cup of tea, let's go! So the reason that we're doing this 10-minute video is basically we want to make something that you can watch while on your tea break. That's why we called it 10-minute tea break. But also the videos I explained before, the long feature-length videos that we were making are so hard to make. They take so much time and effort and so much editing and stuff. And I think at this point we've proven that we can do those, and there will be a few more of those come along as specials. What's new around here is that since the last videos that were made, there's a whole bunch of different staff which you'll get to know through these videos. You'll meet some of them. But what we want to do is we want to try and show you what's going on in the garage. We want to try and show you some more interesting things that we're working on. And also, try and show you a little bit of what it's like day to day trying to work on these old BMWs and various other cars and projects that we work on as well. We want to do it in a way that's entertaining. We want to do it in a way that you can watch it as a little snippet. Whenever you've got a 45-minute video there to watch, that's a lot of time investment for you as well. So we want to give you something a bit more snappy, a bit shorter, something that you can watch and get enjoyment out of. We can put it out more regularly so that you have something fresher, and that it keeps updating, so you're not having to wait ages and ages for a big video to come out, and you can get more content faster. It also helps us then because we can produce that faster and we can edit that together faster. So you have to remember, all of this is done by the guys in-house, by us. We don't have a big fancy editing team behind us. We don't have loads of sound people and cameramen. We don't have a massive big budget for doing this. This is just us doing this, trying to show you something different, trying to give you some more than entertainment. We want to try and teach people things. We want to try and show you something you haven't seen before, and we know that people are interested in the cars that we work on, the projects that we have here, because they say it all the time, even off camera. We have people coming in here and saying, when are you doing more videos? We have people emailing, messaging us, each one of the guys, even privately, saying, when are you going to do something different? When's the next video coming out? So we want to give you something, we want to answer that. We want our customers to feel like they're involved in what's going on here too, and basically show you some of the cooler stuff. So I suppose the next thing to do is just go have a look around the workshop. Grab your tea. It's been really, really cold out here. The tea is very, very important at the minute. What we've been doing, we've had a few cars in here in the workshop through January, but now we're getting stuck into the real good stuff. So this engine here, this engine's dead. This came out of this 7 Series. The bottom end bearings went, which is pretty rare in those engines actually, but we've basically put another one into there, just swapped all the ancillaries off of the old engine onto the new one, and we'll have a look here. Linus, our mechanic, best mechanic, is currently working on that. Linus, how are you getting on with that? Is that ready to fire up yet, or?
No, not yet. It's had fault alternator, so replacing alternator at the minute. It was fired up and it's running, but simple, not charging battery. That's why. Okay. It's getting new alternator.
Cool. Is gearbox on?
Yes, gearbox on, everything is connecting, just exhaust need to be welded.
Okay, yep, no problem. And brake, we're doing a brake upgrade as well, aren't we?
Yes, and we're doing brake upgrade.
Yeah, okay, super. Brake upgrade is important because you have to see the wheels that's on this car. They're amazing. They're 10J by 18 all round. Let's show you something else then as well. We're working on this E30 here at the minute. Inside here we have a nice conditioned steering wheel. I mean, the dash in this car, like I said, this car was stored in a garage for years, low mileage. The dash is just, it's crack free, and that's just in an E30, that is unheard of. Just so hard to get a crack free dash, and everything's in its place. There's not a bit of trim broken, nothing missing. Obviously we've removed all of this stuff, this is all in the garage here, but just, you know, you find those cars sometimes and they've just never been touched, and they've just been put away and kept good and kept undercover. That's what this car is, and everything is here for it. So this is a really nice one actually to restore, because we don't actually have to go and find a load of parts for it. Everything it needs is here. All we have to do is put some new metal in and paint it. That's it. I should show you the seats. That's going to be a really nice car when it's done. I'm looking forward to seeing that one. It's going to drive really good. We did an M10 carburetor E30 last year as well, and it drove lovely once it was done. People think the M10's a wee slow pokey engine, but you know what, they're really hardy. They don't give any problems. I like M10s, they're a good engine. Okay, and don't forget, if you like the stuff that you saw there, want to see more of it, we're going to be putting out some similar content hopefully once a week. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, follow us on Instagram, follow us on whatever other social media things there is. I don't understand all this, is for young people. Just click the subscribe button, click the notifications button. I don't know how any of that works, just click loads of things and tell your friends and watch the videos, and hopefully you find them fun. And if you don't find them fun, we'll try and make them funnier, or just stop watching them. That's terrible. Is that it? And yeah, we'll try and keep putting more stuff. Leave some comments there if there's something else you want to see. And remember, if you liked what you saw, if you want to see more of that, share it with your friends, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll try and keep putting out more content every week. Keep showing you things that you want to see, and we'll try and cover each of the cars as we're going through them. We'll always have something different coming in for a restoration or a customer car needing some work, so there's always something happening.